いいだろう。リムルとは心の友、魂の片割れ。
It's just that you and Malim are extraordinary. Speaking of extraordinary, I hear that the storm dragon Veldora has awakened.
My. Now this is a rumor that I'd actually be interested in hearing. You were saying that my younger brother Veldora has finally awakened. I stopped sensing him about 2 years ago, so I was all but convinced that he had died.
Tell me, are you sure? There is no doubt.
Listen very carefully. Veldora is the incarnation of natural energy. A raging storm can be brought to heal temporarily, but the evil dragon has the will to circumvent all.
Did you know? Veldora Tempest struggles with suppressing his immense magicules due to his extraordinary power. This constant suppression is exhausting for him and poses a significant challenge. If Veldora were unable to suppress his aura and accidentally released it on Tempest, the consequences would be catastrophic. His immense power would have dire effects on the surroundings, turning the area into a land of death. This uncontrolled release of magicules could lead to the spawning of numerous dangerous monsters, potentially even at the level of a Calamity-class threat like Charybdis. The death toll among weaker beings, including many citizens of Tempest, would be enormous, as most would not be able to withstand the intensity of Veldora's aura. However, thanks to Lumina's Embrace Drain technique to help Veldora release his excess magicules, allowing him to return to normal. This technique involved Lumina's draining Veldora's magicules while causing him pain, which also served as a form of revenge for Lumina's.
ついに我の最終防衛ラインの出番だな。おお、魔王ルミナスよ。どうだ、今度はちゃんと覚えておったぞ、魔王ルミナスよ。
クソトカゲが毎回わらわの邪魔